how to mute conversations on Messenger application. First, what you want to do is you want to simply open the Messenger app, and inside the Messenger application you want to simply select the mute. You want to simply select the user that you want to mute your conversation with. After you have selected your user, you want to simply tap on this eye icon at the top right of your screen, and you'll be able to see unmute option over here below your accent section. You want to simply tap on this mute option over here, and by doing so you'll be able to select mute message notifications or their calls, or both of them. You want to simply tap on mute message and call notifications and tap on OK. After that you want to simply tap on the time frame that you want to change. After that you want to simply tap on the time frame that you want to mute this conversation for, and if you want to do it permanently you want to simply tap on until I change it and tap on OK. By doing so, you'd have successfully muted conversations on your Messenger app. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.